Friends, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 stocks which should be part of your long-term portfolio. Friends, I strongly believe that stock market can create tremendous wealth for you, but if done the right way. And through these initiatives, through these videos, I am trying to give you the right path of success in this beautiful market. Friends, my name is Vivek Bajaj. I'm in market for last 15 years and I understand what happens in market. Friends, in this video, I'm going to give you a theme which will define 5 stocks for you. And those 5 stocks have something common with them. The common theme is, first, these companies have tremendous business model and they have growth opportunity in future. Second, these companies have inherent value inside them by virtue of their investments in their subsidiaries. Friends, in couple of days ago, I recorded a video related to sector analysis. And in that video, I talked about 3 forms of sectors: the growth sector, the value sector, and the cyclical sector. Now, this video is in continuation of that, where I am trying to identify stocks which have growth possibilities, value creation possibilities, and to certain extent they are also cyclical in nature, and current upturn in business cycle will be huge beneficiary for these 5 stocks. Now let's start talking about these stocks, friends. First stocks, which is one of my favorite stock, is HDFC. I'm not talking about HDFC Bank, friends. I'm talking about HDFC, which is a housing finance company. Friends, I believe that real estate sector is going through a tremendous recovery, and I see coming 5 to 6 years, the real estate is going to be a big beneficiary of this pandemic. And obviously, the interest rates are low and real estate obviously loves the lower interest rate regime. In fact, I have recorded a video where I talked about why you should invest in real estate stock. I believe HDFC could be a fantastic proxy for real estate play in India. Apart from that, HDFC also has investment in smaller subsidiaries where they are itself becoming quite big. For example, HDFC Life or HDFC AMC, and to a certain extent also HDFC Bank, which may not be the subsidiary but tremendous bank and value creator for HDFC. So I would suggest always look at HDFC for your long-term wealth creation. Whenever stock falls down, find an opportunity, because in these stocks you will get very high margin of safety for yourself. Hello, if you like what we are doing, make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. If you want to become part of our community, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you. The second stock, which is into similar kind of a domain, but I find them very unique because their approach towards the business is quite different from other entities. I'm talking about KOTAK Bank. Now, KOTAK Bank is a bank, whereas HDFC is an NBFC. Both have a different orientation, but KOTAK Bank uniqueness is again a consolidated player who has multiple entities under it, and a consolidated value is getting created in that particular organization. KOTAK is the most expensive bank in India, but why it is expensive, and it will remain expensive, because the value it is building in each and every small enterprise it is building within its common umbrella. The third company which I want to talk about, and it is always my favorite company, is Reliance Industries. Well, I've been talking about Reliance for a long period, and trust me, my dear friends, Reliance is not the same company which it was 5 years ago. Reliance today is the epitome of a new generation business in India. Yes, there may be a risk of health concerns of the chairman of Reliance Industries India, but I would say that if at all market falls because of any issue there, it's a great opportunity to latch on to that stock, because if you have to play a long-term bet on New India, Reliance is the best stock to invest. Again, the same model: own business, good business, and added by it lot of subsidiaries or smaller companies incubated by that own business, and trying to create a wealth for everyone. So you have Reliance Retail, you have Reliance Jio and other entities which are doing tremendous work in their respective domain. The fourth company, again one of my favorite and really good company, is State Bank of India. Friends, State Bank of India is not a new player for us. We all know, as an Indian, we know what SBI stands for. State Bank, I believe after this pandemic and the growth in the business cycle, I think banking will again recover very strongly. And State Bank, because of its investment in other smaller entities like SBI Life or SBI Cards, etc., and the growth in its existing business, I think it's a great bet to put on for a long-term wealth creation. And the last but not the least, and it is also one of my favorite stock, if you as an individual want to become a private equity investor and you want to use one stock which is investing in startups and creating overall wealth for this entire generation of our country, I think Naukri.com or InfoEdge is one stock which you can't afford to miss, right? I think this is the only stock in India which provides an opportunity to retail investor to actually become a private equity investor. So friends, these are the 5 ideas which I want you to carry from this video. Make sure that these 5 stocks become part of your long-term wealth process. Whenever the stock price corrects, which could happen because of flow of liquidity out of the market, you should always feel happy, you should always smile, because the margin of safety when the price goes down increases for these stocks, and you can keep on accumulating these stocks for your long-term wealth creation. Alright, so I hope this video was useful for you. I hope these 5 stocks will remain part of your long-term portfolio. I hope you'll share this video with your friends and family, and I hope you do create long-term wealth from this beautiful market we have. Thank you so much for seeing this video. I will record another video very soon. Bye-bye.